Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FXLRS Softail Lowrider S. This is a 2021 bike on a 71 plate with just 3,123 miles and a full service history. This bike is in stunning condition and comes fitted with a Stage 2 tune, which is your S&S Air filter, S&S Adjustable push rods and cams. This is a stunning piece of kit. You also get the Cobra 2-in-1 pipe, which is matte black. This bike is properly blacked out and it looks long, low and mean. And with that Cobra pipes, it's loud as well. So the rear fender there, all in excellent condition. You've got that rear rack. And you've probably picked out there those SW-Motech detachable panniers, a nice sensible additions. This bike's actually really comfortable, so you might want to do a bit of light touring on it. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that, and the rear wheel in excellent condition, just like the rest of this stunning motorcycle. There's that blacked out Cobra 2-in-1, which sounds fantastic. We will fire it up so you can have a listen. All the engine in excellent condition, no paint flaking off the fins or any signs of any corrosion at all. There's a S&S Air cleaner. And your foot pegs, which are of course mid-mount on the Lowrider S, and levers all in excellent condition. The Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch, which is 1,868 cc in modern money. An absolutely stupendous engine, that bike, loads of torque. As I said already, sounds fantastic. Bar ends, levers, mirrors and indicators there, all in excellent condition. As I said, nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle whatsoever. It's an absolute stunner. The forks there, all in great condition, no chrome flaking off, no paint, no stone chips, no nothing like that. It's all in really good condition. The front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and that is in great condition. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one. The front mudguard, like the rest of this bike, in absolutely fantastic condition. Got the nose cone fairing there, again a feature of the Lowrider S. The left hand side of the bike, well, same story here. It's absolutely beautiful. Bar ends, levers and the mirrors. The levers themselves are adjustable Oberon items, so you've got some accessories there, some really nice accessories on this bike. Whoever had this bike spent thousands on it. That Stage 2 tune, definitely not cheap. Front wheel on this side, again, all excellent. Of course, you get anti-lock brakes as well. All the engine cases there in great condition. Just that 114 badge there, just signifying this is the big engine in this bike. Again, no paint flaking off on the engine there, no sign of any corrosion on the fins. Petrol tank there in superb condition. And the pannier on this side, again, fantastic order. Just all under there, if you can see it, is in great condition. Really lovely bike this. The top of the bike, no rips or tears in the seat. Again, no chips or scratches in the tank. With those beautiful stacked dials there on the petrol tank, leaving that nice clean look for the handlebars. Of course, you've got keyless ignition with the Harley-Davidson Immobiliser on this one as well. So if you like the look of this long, low, mean and loud cruiser, then this could very well be the bike for you. Of course, this Stage 2 Harley sounds absolutely superb. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT. A service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning lowrider, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.